Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be showing you guys how to use the new boldhold liquid gold. Okay, so me and Ashley, we're both going to do an install on ourselves, and like I said, we'll be showing you how to actually use the boldhold liquid gold. We both put ours on a little different, so you'll see both ways that we do it. One thing that I do want you to keep in mind, that this is not a glue, guys. This is a temporary hold. It's not a glue. You may be asking yourself, like, what's the difference between, you know, our temporary hold and, you know, your normal, you know, hairspray holds that we normally use for installs? Well, I will tell you this: if you know anything about science, you know that there is not a lot of product in an aerosol can. So what you're getting from us is you're getting all product, no air. So with this right here, I do want you to keep in mind it's not a glue, guys. It's a temporary hold. With this temporary hold, you can use it to actually hold the lace down. You can use it to like do your baby hairs, and you can also use it on top of our glues, our boldhold max. Use it on top of our boldhold active, or you can use it on top of our boldhold extreme cream.
I'm using boldhold liquid gold. This is my Brazilian straight wig from the Ashley Marie collection. Using the boldhold liquid gold, first I'm putting one thin layer, and I'll add more layers as needed. I'm getting my corners really good because usually the corners dry up pretty fast. Now I'm placing the lace on top of the liquid gold, and I'm going to go in with the blow dryer on warm. Now I'm sealing the excess lace that I missed with the liquid gold. So now I'll be going back in with my boldhold liquid gold to lay my edges. And remember, if you apply too much, you can go back in and wipe it off with water. So now I'll be going in with my hot comb. I got this hot comb from Walmart, and I'll just be laying down my middle part. Alright, so here's the final result. The hold is amazing. You could take it off daily. Sometimes I usually wear it to 3 to 5 days if I take care of it and tie it down at night.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to apply mine. First, I usually like to make sure that my wig fits properly, especially on the corners, because if they don't and you have to pull at the corners, you're going to have issues with whether you're using glue or using any type of temporary hold, because it will slide back. So the wig can't be too little, guys. So it has to fit those corners perfectly before you start. Okay, so I'm going to actually seal my cap down using the boldhold liquid gold. I'd rather do this because I've seen people do the glue, and I'm so against using glue to seal the cap down, only if you're getting it on your hair. So this right here, I can put it on my hair, I can pull the cap down, and if it gets on my hair, it'll be fine. I'm just totally against using the glue where it's going to get on the hair and the cap, because sometimes customers may have to remove the cap themselves, and it could cause damage if it's too much glue on there. So if you want to watch my ball cap method, you can watch that on my other videos. I'll try to put it in the link so you can get that as well. I've done it several times. I really like how it holds. It holds really, really good. It's very similar to you using any type of spray or any type of gel. It holds really, really well, and it does not harm the hair. Our product also has argan oil in it, so it's very gentle, but it gives you an amazing hold. So once I get it all on there, I'm going to dry it until it's stiff and holding really, really tight. So I'm pretty much just gonna cut it after, you know, everything is completely dry. I basically do it the same way I've done all of my other ball caps and my other videos that you've seen here. The one thing that I did like about it as well, I can seal the cap using it at the end, and I'll show you that as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply it to the very edge, and I'll dry it. I usually do a section at a time because I don't want it to, you know, loosen up or roll back or whatever. So I'll just do a little bit at a time. Okay, here it is, nice and flat. I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to apply. I'm going to use my finger. You can use an applicator. It's totally up to you, you know, when it comes to this, but I'm going to put on a generous amount, and I'm going to do mine in sections. I like to do mine in sections because I have more control. I'm going to dry it just a little bit, and then I'm going to lay the lace down in the middle section, and then I'll do the left and right. Okay, so I'm gonna dry this area completely until you're gonna feel the tightness, and then I can move on to the next section. So I basically, you know, like I did and said before, I put mine in the middle first, and then I work along the sides. I wanted to let you guys know that it's okay to use the Skin Protect with this, because the way that the Skin Protect is formulated, it will block sweat. And with this being a temporary hold, this will block the sweat. So I don't sweat as bad, but if you do, you can do the Skin Protect before you apply. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to use a generous amount as I did in the midsection, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it on this side. And I'm doing it basically the same way I did the middle part, taking my time, making sure I have the proper amount on here, and then I'm going to lay the lace down and dry it with my dryer on warm air. Okay, so it's down, but what I want to show you guys is you can also use this boldhold liquid gold as just as a dressing to go on top, you know, for baby hair and things like that, because you can also use it with our other glues, and I'm going to show you that now. You can use it with either one of them. You can use it with the active, you can use it with the boldhold max. Here is the actual active in the bottle. or you can use it with the extreme cream. And what I mean by that, guys, is you can actually, on this side, I'm gonna go ahead and do glue on this side, and when I go on top to, you know, set it, I'll go on top and set it with the Bold Hold Liquid Gold to kind of like, I could do my baby hairs with it, and it also sets it so that it gives it an even firmer hold. Okay, so I'm gonna always go in with my Skin Protect, whether I'm sensitive or not. Our Skin Protect has a sweat blocker in it, and it makes it last and protects the skin, so you never wanna use hair replacement products without it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Bold Hold Active. You can find all of this on our website at www.thehairdiagram.com. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with thin layers. You wanna always make sure you can actually see what you're putting on there, and you wanna drag the glue down. If you use too much glue, it's not gonna dry properly and you're not gonna get a good hold. So you wanna make sure that the layers are very, very thin. Anywhere from 1 to 4 layers is really good, but you can go up to 7, which is a lot. Okay, so once it's clear, that is the only time you will be able to lay your lace. If you lay your lace while the glue is white, it will interfere with your hold. It will interfere with your hold if the glue is white. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and cut me some very thin baby hairs. Okay, so I'm not a really big fan of baby hair. I do it a little bit, and I like them very, very thin. So it's totally up to you, but the product is very workable and easy to use. So I know you guys are gonna love it. Make sure you check out our baby hair video. I'll put the link above. Okay, so here's the end result. I tried to get a close-up look so you guys can just see it in raw form. There is a little shine. You may see a little glare from the camera. If you feel like it's a little shiny, you can always go in with a little powder, and I'll do that on the next video. It does really fine, no worries, but it has a great hold, and I just wanted you guys to see that. Guys, we do offer FaceTime assistance. Please email us on the website.
Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.